So, just in case, I was looking online about how to replace the light on this and I couldn't find anything. So I took it upon myself after removing that cover, which was just a simple flathead right around here, and it pops out, and then slowly pry it from here. I came by, I pried this little tab right here, I pried this little tab over here. However, this is just me being me. The light fixture, there's a little piece right there. You don't really need to remove this part, but just for demonstrations and just because I'm here, you guys can see there's this strip right here that doesn't only deflects the light, doesn't do much. What's that? The light bulb, right? So you just grab these little wires right here and you twist them. And it pops out just like that. And that's the code for that light bulb. As you guys see, mine is filthy. Now you guys got a better view of where that light bulb goes. It's just a tiny little light bulb, and they saw it at O'Reilly's. No need to replace the whole damn thing. Hope this helps someone.